For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Bullish Kusama, KSM, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $276.60 and $602.37 by 2030. Market examiners accept KSM could reach $276.60 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2022 is $49.17. Kusama, KSM, Introduction. Polkadot's version of the future Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits designers to try different things with new highlights and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar updates as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates changes or increases to the codebase, conventions, and administration systems. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building unit created by Parity Technologies. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be recognized and fixed before they cause significant disturbances on Polkadot. Moreover, in light of the fact that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, in particular WEB3 Foundation, any overhauls made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama, KSM? KSM is the local digital money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange expenses and marking prizes, and fills in as guarantee for parachains and majority rule cooperation. Moreover, KSM holders can decide on administration proposition through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile interoperable blockchain stage that empowers designers to construct applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilizations a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. Kusama likewise includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on recommendations and come to conclusions about the fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is as of now in its beginning phases of advancement. The group behind the undertaking is centered around building a strong biological system of uses and administrations. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and protection. What makes Kusama unique? Kusama is intended for engineers who need to send off aggressive ventures with a quick advancing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama remarkable is its attention on giving engineers the apparatuses they need to succeed. This incorporates elements, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, shrewd agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain collaborations. What's more, Kusama likewise has major areas of strength for fans and engineers who are devoted to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the confirmation of work agreement component, which is energy escalated, Kusama utilizes a designated verification of stake framework. This permits it to be more proficient and versatile than other blockchains. One of the novel elements of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be updated without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new highlights and overhauls. Furthermore, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, XCMP, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for engineers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is controlled by DOTs, which are the local money of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients, as DOTs have been tried on the mainnet. Also, DOTs give clients admittance to Polkadot's elements, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. In general, Kusama gives an extraordinary open door to designers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different highlights in a free from any potential harm climate. Kusama, KSM, Price Prediction 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, KSM. The KSM cost figure, likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $86.05 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $73.76. Kusama, KSM, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $153.67. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the KSM's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $122.93 and a typical exchanging cost of $135.23. Kusama, KSM, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $215.13 and KSM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $196.69 and a low of $184.40 in 2024. Kusama, KSM, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming that Kusama effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $276.60, with a base cost of $245.87 and a typical cost of $258.16. Kusama, KSM, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $319.63 by 2026, with a base cost of $307.33 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KSM has a most extreme value worth of $338.07. Kusama